Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Shabina Malik introducing all of you to series of webinar. The structure of presentation will be divided into 5 parts. Today you will get an holistic view about our sales trends, attendance and live tracking feature. So without making further delay, let's start with the webinar. Participants are requested to keep on submitting their queries on chat screen, and one session over, we will address to that queries. So, Mr. AJ Goyal will now give you brief introduction about Sales Trends.
So, first of all, thank you, Shabina Malik, for giving this opportunity to me to connect with our clients, our partners, our prospects. And I really thank all of the participants here who have taken their valuable time out to listen to us. We have organized this Power Pack session, and we are conscious that we deliver a high pack dose to all of our audience in a very short period of time. So, dear friends, this COVID crisis had put spotlight on the technological changes. The technology has been going a rapid transformation during the last 10 years, especially driven by mobility, social media, cloud, and other similar activities such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. What COVID has done, the changes in technology which were already going on, COVID has increased the pace of those changes. COVID has made it more evident to the people that it is the technology which you need if you want your businesses to be going on. And at Sales Trends, we are committed to provide world-class global solutions to our clients, helping them innovate, helping them improve on their processes, helping them connect to their customers, and uh, reap huge profits and benefits for their business. Today, Sales Trends has more than 160 channel partners all across the major cities of India, including Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Jaipur, Pune, and many more. And we have presence globally in all major cities such as UAE, Singapore, Malaysia, South Africa, United States of America. We have a big client list to be proud of, and many big names in our client list, such as the Montex Pens, the Hindustan Feeds, which is one of the biggest animal feed company, the Microscan into the routers and all these things, Big Flex protein supplements, Probot water bottles, Creditwise Capital, and many more. And many of the global clients have also come on board and adopted various features from Sales Trends. What makes Sales Trends different from other similar cloud software solutions? First and foremost is simplicity. We believe in like WhatsApp like simplicity. There should be no learning curve. The moment you log in, the moment the user onboards the application should guide the user. There should be no learning curve, absolutely. No training should be required. And these days, everything has to be on mobile. There should be no need of opening a laptop or a machine. Whoever wants to do, whether it is admin, whether it is the business owner, whether it is the manager, whether it is the salesman, whether it is the shopkeeper, everyone should be able to access all the features on mobile. So that has been the differentiator, which most of the companies are not able to do right now. Sales Trends is an entire suite of applications, various applications that help you empower your sales process. It has different modules. For example, it has the sales management and distribution for brands. Uh, you can you can create a network of distributors and retailers whereby the retailers can put in the orders which get passed on to the distributors who can supply those orders. So everybody has a separate login. A retailer has a login, a distributor has a login, the company people have logins. So the human intervention, the need to visit the shops for taking orders is completely ruled out. Then you can manage your field sales team. That is another important component of sales trends. Then you have field CRM for activity tracking. You can manage your prospects, you can manage your leads on sales trends. And then you have attendance management and location tracking. When your team is out in field, in all the businesses where field team happens to be critical to your business, whether it is for sales, whether your guys in the field are going for providing the after sales services to your clients, whether they are going to conduct field inquiries or surveys, or they are going to make collections, whatever may be the field activity, sales trends help you manage it through mobile applications. So this is a series of webinar that we are conducting to educate our clients, our prospects, our channel partners. And today we have picked up the attendance and location tracking module for that purpose. With this, I hand over to Sachin Mehta and the team who will take it forward. And I will request of all you to keep on passing the queries by putting your message on chat, and we will address those queries at the end. Yes, Shabina, please carry on.
Thank you, Mr. Goel, for your valuable inputs. This video recording will be available for sharing and will be shared with all the participants after the webinar. The relationship between the owners, stakeholders, and the sales team is that of a cat and a mouse. They always have differences between them, where owners feel their sales team don't work as per their true potential, whereas the sales team feels despite all of their efforts, the owner just don't trust them. Sales trends, live tracking, and attendance helps them to bridge this gap where the difference between performing and non-performing sales team can duly be tracked. Now, Ms. Shabina Malik will make you go through the problems and solutions on live tracking and attendance. Over to you, Shabina.
Thank you, Mr. Sachin. Let's start with the problem faced by sales agent. Every day in the morning, sales agent have to go to office location to punch in and then go on field to visit the scheduled route and customers, which is definitely a waste of time. जो टाइम ट्रैवल करके ऑफिस जाने लगता है वो टाइम में 2 से 3 विजिट होते तो कंपनी का रेवेन्यू के साथ प्रोडक्टिविटी भी इंक्रीज होता. Solution that sales prints provide for this. On app itself, sales executive can mark his attendance and save his crucial time on the productivity of the company. Next problem is the sales executive have no idea about the number of leaves pending, because of which they tend to take unpaid leaves which indirectly affect their income. Sales friends have the facility to capture the count of all sick casual leave taken and display on the app itself. Another problem is, suppose I am a sales executive and I am new to the company and got list of customers to visit. Without knowing exact location, it leads to a huge chaos that किसको पहले visit करूं या किसको last. To visit a particular customer location, there are multiple routes, multiple ways. If I am unaware, तो एक location में जहां 15 मिनट लगना चाहिए वहां 30 to 35 minutes लग जाते हैं, which is a huge waste. Geotagging features in sales trends is Google integrated, which give accurate direction to ease the pain. Also, nearest 30 customers feature allow to plan which customer should I visit first, as it provides the list of customer based on the shortest distance from your location. Next huge challenge of sales agent is, at the end of the day, the productive things a sales agent did need to manually feed. Again, there is a frustration of reminding what all things I did, whom I met, because of which an extra hour is spent just to update about the work to the owner, which is terrible waste with no productivity. How sales reps overcome this issue? At the time of checkout, sales reps automatically summarize the work done by the agent in the form of EOD report, which an agent just need to submit and conclude for the day. One more problem a sales agent faces is to know the distance he traveled, which make it difficult to claim his expenses. Sales friends quick fix this problem by giving the estimated kilometers he traveled in a day. Now, let's go through the problem faced by the manager and how sales friends overcome this issue. Being a manager is to be in a constant loop with his team, which is very challenging. No idea about who are on field, how many are present, how much duration they spend on field. End of day, by reports, if I am able to know, even then identifying is it is true or not is frustrating. In sales trends, all attendance and leave-based record of team on the app allow the manager to keep a real-time watch on his team with its check-in, check-out time and location. Next problem a manager usually face is that on field, how many sales teams are there and identifying what they're currently doing is difficult. If a manager asks on call, even there it is not sure whether they are lying or saying truth. Also, there is a chance वो हमारे प्रोडक्ट सेलिंग के साथ किसी और का भी बिजनेस कर रहे हो. Sales trends facilitate real-time tracking of sales rep with location and duration, which helps to avoid to be a clown by your sales agent. Another problem is a manager not able to locate the path the sales rep draw on field to visit the customer. Sales rep tends to divert from their route or visit the place which does not gain any profit. So how sales trends address this issue? Complete journey map of salesmen integrated with Google Map allow to locate the right path your sales rep draw on field with stoppages and location of stoppages. Next problem is a sales agent खुद का productivity दिखाने के लिए and to gain incentive they tend to bring fake orders or perform activity from unknown location which is again a threat to the business. The solution is geotagging of customer in sales trends allowed to get the trail of what activity is being performed by whom and from which location. Let's see what problem an owner faces. There is no mechanism of identifying the agent is actually on field or not. So many a times attendance proxy for field visits are done. To overcome this, sales trends provide selfie and location capturing of team, which helps on avoiding proxies. Next problem is an owner is unaware of what is happening on field. He is completely dependent on manager and manager take owner for a ride by supporting sales team and overlooking their daily work schedules. Sales trends have a mechanism to track sales team along with managers with schedules. Activities record give a complete picture of the work they have done during the day. Next problem is managing huge sales team is a challenge for owner. Calculating the absent present count of every individual consume lot of time and efforts. Sales trends make an attempt to effortlessly get the user-wise attendance count report to ease the calculation at the time of crediting the salary. Another problem is an owner is unable to keep the track for the daily or historic activity done by the field agent. Sales trends enable a facility to be in constant loop with your team by checking their daily activity report to analyze each individual performances. Owners are unable to verify submitted travel allowance which lead to overboard expenditure. In Sales Trends, an owner will be able to view the sales executive complete journey with exact distance he traveled, which will help to verify at the time of reimbursement. Now, Prachi Shah will walk you through location tracking and attendance management on the app.
Well, thank you so much, Ms. Shabina Malik, for introducing me. Good afternoon, everyone. I will walk you through on how a user can mark his daily attendance and how a manager or admin can track their field sales team. So a user can mark his daily attendance by checking and checkout. Selfie image and current location will be saved. GPS and internet connectivity is mandatory while checking and checkout. So let's get started. Once you have signed in the application, you need to click on the More tab, then click on Myself. So now here, the user can see his last status of check-in, checkout details. Mandatory for him is to take a selfie image. He cannot take it from gallery, he has to take it live. And click on press button and click on check-in. So now if you see, he has successfully checked in for the day. Similarly, he can check out for the day as soon as all his activities for the day is over. Once he checks out for the day, his location and time is registered every time. Check-in and check-out is possible only once a day. And if by mistakenly a user checks out, he has to take permission from his manager or admin to activate him for the day. तो जैसे मिस शबीना मलिक ने पहले बताया कि सेल्स पर्सन या मैनेजर को ऑफिस आने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी अटेंडेंस मार्क करने के लिए, वो अपने करंट लोकेशन से ही अटेंडेंस मार्क कर पाएंगे एंड टॉप मैनेजमेंट या मैनेजर उनको रियल टाइम बेसिस पे देख पाएंगे कि वो अभी कौन सी लोकेशन पे उन्होंने चेक इन किया है, अलॉन्ग विथ कितने बजे चेक इन किया है और कितने बजे चेकआउट किया है. अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे एक यूजर या एडमिन एक न्यू कस्टमर ऐड कर पाएंगे, अलॉन्ग विथ जियो लोकेशन भी कर पाएंगे एक पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर के लोकेशन पे जाकर, जिससे हमें वेरीफाइड और नॉट वेरीफाइड रिपोर्ट्स मिलेंगे कि वेदर यूजर एक्चुअली में कस्टमर लोकेशन पे जाके विजिट्स कर रहे हैं, ऑर्डर्स ले रहे हैं, कोई कलेक्शन की एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं या फिर कोई अदर एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं या फिर अपने करंट लोकेशन से ही कर रहे हैं और मैनेजर को बता रहे हैं कि हम कस्टमर को मिल के आए थे. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विथ दैट, जिससे एक्चुअली बहुत सारी प्रोडक्टिविटी भी बढ़ती है, यूजर्स की, कंपनी को भी प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं. तो नाउ वील स्टार्ट. आई विल स्टार्ट विथ एडिंग अ न्यू कस्टमर. जैसे यहाँ पे टॉप में एक प्लस आइकन है, यहाँ से एक न्यू कस्टमर क्रिएट हो सकता है. अब मैं एक न्यू कस्टमर क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. मैं कस्टमर टाइप सिलेक्ट कर सकती हूँ, ये प्री डिफाइंड हो सकता है. एक कस्टमर रूट सिलेक्ट कर रही हूँ और मैप आइकन पे क्लिक करके मैं करंट लोकेशन को जियो टैग कर रही हूँ. मैं ऑल्टरनेट कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स डाल सकती हूँ. प्रिफर्ड विजिट टाइम अगर कस्टमर का रहा तो आई कैन ऐड. एड्रेस डिटेल्स डाल सकती हूँ. अदर डिटेल्स जैसे कि ड्रग लाइसेंस नंबर, टिन नंबर, जीएसटी नंबर, वो भी डाल सकती हूँ. उसके अलावा मैं कस्टमर का फोटो भी अपलोड कर सकती हूँ. और जैसे ही ये सारी डिटेल्स मैं डालती हूँ, आप देखेंगे ऑन रियल टाइम बेसिस एक न्यू कस्टमर क्रिएट हो गया है, शिराज स्टोर्स. उसके बाद एक एक्टिविटी है, प्लस आइकन के बाजू में एक मैप दिया गया है. जब मैं उस मैप पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो आप देख पाएंगे अभी मेरे करंट लोकेशन से नियरेस्ट जियो टैग कस्टमर्स कौन से हैं. तो जैसे एक न्यू यूजर ने ज्वाइन किया है तो मैनेजर को उनके साथ जाके उनको हर एक स्टोर्स के बारे में एड्रेस या लोकेशन दिखाना नहीं पड़ेगा, वो उनको एक्सेस राइट दे सकते हैं फ्रॉम द एप्लीकेशन और मैप पे ही यूजर को डायरेक्शंस मिल जाएंगे एक पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर के यहाँ पे जाने के. और हमारा गूगल मैप्स इंटीग्रेटेड है तो बहुत इजीली यूजर को डायरेक्शंस मिल जाएंगे फॉर गोइंग एट अ पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर लोकेशन. और कस्टमर टाइप भी वो फिल्टर कर सकते हैं कि उनको देखना है मेरे नियरेस्ट रिटेलर्स कौन से हैं या मेरे नियरेस्ट होलसेलर्स कौन से हैं. उसके बाद जैसे मैं एक यूजर हूँ और मैं एक पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर पे विजिट कर रही हूँ, से शिराज स्टोर्स, तो वहां पे मैं लेफ्ट स्वाइप करूंगी तो 3 ऑप्शंस ओपन होंगे, विजिट, रिमोट एक्टिविटी एंड कमेंट। तो जैसे ही मैं कस्टमर लोकेशन पे पहुंची, वहां पे मुझे विजिट मार्क करना है, तो आई क्लिक ऑन विजिट। एज सुन एज आई क्लिक ऑन विजिट, मेरा विजिट इन टाइम स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। फिर वहां मैं ये सारी एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म कर पाऊंगी। जैसे मैं पहले एक तो विजिट पर्पस सिलेक्ट कर सकती हूँ, ये प्री डिफाइंड हो सकता है। फिर मैं वहां जाके, अगर मैं कस्टमर लोकेशन पे पहली बार जा रही हूँ, तो मुझे मैंडेटरी एक बार वहां पे सेट लोकेशन करना है, जियो लोकेशन, जिससे वेरीफाइड नॉट वेरीफाइड रिपोर्ट्स आगे मिल पाएंगे मैनेजर या एडमिन को। तो मैं सेट लोकेशन करूंगी एंड आई विल मार्क दिस लोकेशन ऑफ द कस्टमर। सो द लोकेशन हैज बीन एडेड सक्सेसफुली। उसके बाद जैसे एक कोर मैंडेटरी चीज जो हर एक सेल्स पर्सन या यूजर मेजरली करते हैं, वो है बुक एंड ऑर्डर एक्टिविटी। तो आई विल क्लिक ऑन बुक एंड ऑर्डर। तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कंप्लीट लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स अलोंग विथ इमेजेस। अगर आप किसी इमेज पे क्लिक करते हैं तो आप ये इमेज शेयर भी कर पाएंगे। उसके बाद अगर मैं एक पर्टिकुलर इमेज पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो मल्टीपल इमेजेस कैन बी एडेड। आप यहाँ पे वेरिएंट्स भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे सेलिंग प्राइस एडिट कर सकते हैं, यूनिट्स केस आप मैन्युअली भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आप सप्लायर कौन है, इधर मैन्युफैक्चरर और एल्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, देयर कैन बी मल्टीपल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स आल्सो। तो ये प्रोडक्ट कौन सप्लाई करने वाले आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड देन ऐड टू कार्ट। तो जैसे ही आप कार्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे, आपको एक चेकआउट पेज आ जाएगा, जहां से आप यहाँ से भी आप मैन्युअली, अगर आपको यूनिट्स और सिलेक्ट चेंज करना है, आपको अगर जीएसटी अप्लीकेबल है तो डालना है, कोई हैंडलिंग चार्जेस है, डिस्काउंट्स है, आपको ऐड करना है, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस अगर है तो वो प्री डिफाइन हो सकते हैं, कुछ डिटेल नोट्स अगर आपको डालने हैं तो आप डाल सकते हैं, डिलीवरी एड्रेस एडिट करना है तो कर सकते हैं, आपको अगर सिग्नेचर लेना है तो सिग्नेचर भी ले सकते हैं, एंड देन confirm order. You can see the order has been added successfully. फिर आप यहाँ पे लाइव इमेज, अगर आपको कोई लाइव पिक्चर लेना है, जैसे यूजर जा रहे हैं और कोई चेक कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो चेक का अगर फोटो लेना है, या फिर शेल्फ डिस्प्ले प्रोडक्ट्स के फोटो लेने हैं तो ले सकते हैं, ब्रोशर्स अगर दिखाना है तो ब्रोशर एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं, कलेक्शन की एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं, कस्टम फॉर्म की एक्टिविटी है, जैसे कोई रेलेवेंट डेटा कलेक्ट करना है तो कर सकते हैं, जिसमें कोई जो फील्ड्स आप चाहे आपके यूजर को फिल करना है मैंडेटरी गोइंग एट द कस्टमर लोकेशन, वो डाल सकते हैं। उसमें नेम ऑफ द कंपनी डाल सकते हैं, एड्रेस अगर डालना है तो डाल सकते हैं, वारंटी अगर है, डिफेक्टिव पार्ट है, ये कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, ये जो फील्ड चाहे उसमें ऐड हो सकती है। अगर इमेज चाहिए, अगर सिग्नेचर चाहिए तो वो भी हो सकता है। ये सारी एक्टिविटीज होने के बाद यूजर को विजिट आउट पे क्लिक करना है, तो यहाँ पे इनका विजिट आउट टाइम स्टॉप हो जाएगा। फिर उनको विजिट का आउटकम सिलेक्ट करना है, ये भी प्री डिफाइंड हो सकता है, वेदर इट वाज सक्सेसफुल, अनसक्सेसफुल, ग्रेट। डिटेल विजिट नोट्स अगर डालनी है तो डाल सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट विजिट डेट एंड टाइम अगर सेट करना है, नेक्स्ट विजिट पर्पस अगर सेट करना है तो सेट कर सकते हैं एंड क्लिक ऑन डन। तो आप देखेंगे ऑन रियल टाइम बेसिस शिराज स्टोर्स में एक विजिट की है, एक ऑर्डर हुआ है। अब मैं अगर शिराज स्टोर्स पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ तो यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा कि अब तक ये स्टोर्स पे कितनी एक्टिविटी हुई है। तो जैसे ये क्लाइंट मैंने अभी बनाया और पहली एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे की थी, तो आप देखेंगे कि कितना ड्यूरेशन यहाँ पे स्पेंड किया, कितने बजे से 3:26 से 3:30 तक किया, यहाँ पे 3 मिनट्स स्पेंड की। अगर नेक्स्ट विजिट डेट एंड टाइम मैंने सेट किया होता तो यहाँ पे वो आ जाता। आप यहाँ पे देख रहे होंगे कि एंट्री पे बाजू में एक ग्रीन डॉट है, मैं अगर उस पर क्लिक करती हूँ तो यहाँ पे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये कस्टमर लोकेशन से एक्टिविटी की है यूजर ने या फिर कोई और लोकेशन से की है। जैसे आप अगर मैप पे देखते हैं तो ये जियो टैग कस्टमर मेरे करंट लोकेशन से है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे मैप पे वही लोकेशन अलोंग विद द एड्रेस ऑन वेरीफाइड स्टेटस आया है। यही चीज अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो जैसे मैं एक सीरिया स्टोर पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ और वहां पे एक एक्टिविटी मिस्टर गलेश कामले ने की थी और एंट्री के वहां पे आपको एक रेड डॉट दिखेगा। तो वहां पे अगर मैं क्लिक करती हूँ तो आपको दिखेगा कि ये लोकेशन, कस्टमर लोकेशन कौन सा था उन्होंने एक्टिविटी कौन से लोकेशन से की थी, अलॉन्ग विथ एड्रेस एंड नॉट वेरीफाइड स्टेटस। सो इससे क्या होता है कि टॉप मैनेजमेंट और मैनेजर को पता चलता है कि वेदर एक्चुअली में सेल्स पर्सन फील्ड पे जाके विजिट्स कर रहे हैं, एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, या फिर कोई और लोकेशन से कर रहे हैं। This was about the customer addition and how to know whether actually a user is visiting or not. Then I'll take you through the salesperson activities. I'm clicking on salesperson tab. तो as an admin और manager वो खुद भी एक salesperson ऐड कर सकते हैं। तो प्लस आइकन पे क्लिक करने पे एक salesperson का नेम, मोबाइल नंबर, कंफर्म मोबाइल नंबर एंड ईमेल आईडी, ऑल्सो वो फोटो भी salesperson का अपलोड कर सकते हैं अगर चाहे तो। उसके बाद एक मैप आइकन है बाजू में, तो मैं वो मैप आइकन पे अगर क्लिक करती हूँ तो यहाँ से आपको पता चलेगा कि आज के दिन में अभी तक किन किन लोगों ने चेक इन किया हुआ है। अलॉन्ग विथ फोटोग्राफ्स एंड किस लोकेशन से चेक इन किया हुआ है, कितने बजे चेक इन किया हुआ है, वो आपको पता चलेगा। तो जैसे गणेश कामले ने नियर बाय मुंबई, नवी मुंबई से किया हुआ है, कितने बजे किया हुआ है वो आपको आ जाएगा। दीपिका पाडवाल ने कहाँ से, नियर बाय वलसाड़ से किया हुआ है, कितने बजे चेक इन किया है, कौन से दिन पे किया है। तो ये आपका लाइव ट्रैकिंग, आपको इंस्टेंटली आपके सारे यूजर्स इन मुंबई रीजन अभी का पता चलेगा। अब ये सारे मुंबई रीजन के आपके सेल्स पर्सन है, जो ग्रीन में टिक मार्क है उन्होंने आज के दिन में चेक इन किया हुआ है। अब मैं सपोज एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर सिलेक्ट कर रही हूँ, फैजल अंसारी। फैजल अंसारी पे क्लिक करने पे उनकी एक्टिविटी पूरी हिस्ट्री दिख जाएगी कि अब तक उन्होंने क्या कौन सी एक्टिविटीज की हुई है। अब मैं उनकी जर्नी पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो आप देख पाएंगे आज के दिन में उन्होंने चेक इन नहीं किया है। वहां पे मैं अगर कैलेंडर पे क्लिक करती हूँ और मुझे उनकी कोई पास जर्नी देखनी है तो मैं एक पर्टिकुलर पास जर्नी सिलेक्ट कर रही हूँ, से 17 मई। तो आपको यहाँ पे देखिएगा उन्होंने 17 मई को कितने बजे चेक इन किया है, कितने बजे चेकआउट किया है, कितना डिस्टेंस किलोमीटर कवर किया है, 11.21 किलोमीटर कवर किया है। मैप पे आपको दिखेगा। आपको कंप्लीट डिटेल अगर जानना है तो आप लिस्ट व्यू से देख सकते हैं कि उन्होंने कितने बजे चेक इन किया है, कौन से लोकेशन एड्रेस के साथ दिखेगा। उसके बाद उन्होंने पेपर सोर्स स्टेशनरी विजिट किया है, कितने बजे विजिट किया है, कितना किलोमीटर्स कवर किया है, कितना ड्यूरेशन वहां पे स्पेंड किया है। उसके बाद उन्हें ट्रैवल में टाइम निकाला है तो वो ट्रैवलिंग कितने मिनट्स का ट्रैवल किया है, कितना किलोमीटर्स वो ट्रैवल में उन्होंने कवर किया है, कितने टाइम से कितने टाइम के पीछे से 12:14 से 12:34, 12:34 से 12:54। उसके बाद वो कौन से लोकेशन पे गए, वहां पे उन्होंने कितना टाइम ड्यूरेशन स्पेंड किया, कितना किलोमीटर्स कवर किया। अगर कोई अनशेड्यूल्ड स्टॉप उन्होंने लिया हुआ है तो वो भी आ जाएगा, अलॉन्ग विथ कितना मिनट्स उन्होंने वहां पे स्पेंड किया विथ एड्रेस। फिर है मोबाइल हिस्ट्री। तो मोबाइल हिस्ट्री पे क्लिक करने पे आपको उनका बेसिकली बैटरी परसेंटेज कितना था, कितने बजे उनका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ऑन हुआ, कितनी बार ऑफ हुआ, चार्जिंग था नहीं था, अगर यूएसबी चार्जिंग लगाया है तो ऑन है ऑफ है, कितना बैटरी परसेंटेज था जब इंटरनेट ऑन ऑफ हुआ, जीपीएस ऑन ऑफ हुआ, वो सारा डिटेल्स आपको दिख जाएगा एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर का। उसके बाद ये सारी एक्टिविटीज खत्म होने पे, जब वो उनके काम खत्म हो जाते हैं तो दिन एंड होने पे वापस वो मोर पे जाके माई सेल्फ पे क्लिक करेंगे। माई सेल्फ पे क्लिक करके वो चेकआउट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आएगा कि यू वांट टू चेक आउट, यू वोंट बी एबल टू चेक आउट अनलेस यू परफॉर्म एनी एक्टिविटी। तो यस पे क्लिक करना है तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा कि ही हैज सक्सेसफुली चेक्ड आउट फॉर द डे, और ऊपर आ जाएगा स्टेटस और लैटिट्यूड लॉन्जिट्यूड के बाद। यही सेम चीज अगर डैशबोर्ड पे भी देखनी है एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर को लेकर तो डैशबोर्ड पे भी दिख सकता है। एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो पर्टिकुलर यूजर का पास जर्नी भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो डैशबोर्ड पे उन्होंने कितने बजे चेक इन किया, कितने बजे चेकआउट किया, मैप व्यू दिखेगा, एक फील्ड पे टाइम कितना स्पेंड किया वो भी दिखेगा विथ इन डेप्थ डिटेल्स कि एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया, वहाँ पे कितना किलोमीटर्स कवर किया, वो सारा डिटेल्स डैशबोर्ड पे भी दिखेगा. So this was about the walkthrough of attendance and live tracking. Over to Mr. Sachin Mehta to share some insights about our existing clients and the experience with sales trends.
Thank you, Prachi, for the beautiful presentation. Now let's go through some customer success stories who have been using Sales Trends application. The customer names have been changed to keep their confidentiality with the customer. The first customer is Superscan. Superscan is a big name in broadband industry in Maharashtra, जहाँ पे उनके पास around 400 लोग की टीम है और उनका चैलेंज एक यूनिक था जहाँ पे दे डिडंट गेट द रियल टाइम लोकेशन ऑफ देयर सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव्स. उनकी जो टीम होती है दे गो एंड अटेंड सर्विस कॉल्स ऑफ क्लाइंट्स जहाँ पे उनको राउटर इंस्टॉलेशन करने होते हैं, न्यू कनेक्शंस करवाने होते हैं. तो जब भी कोई अर्जेंट कॉल आता था, सर्विस कॉल जिसको हम उनको केटर करना था, तो देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ कंप्लीट केओस बिकॉज उनको उनकी टीम का लोकेशन ही पता नहीं चलता था. So what they had to do is they had to call each and every executive which they felt were in that area, and they would just assign any random person to answer that call. बहुत बार तो ऐसा भी होता था कि जहाँ पे दूर का बंदा असाइन होता था और जो बंदा नियर बाय था वो असाइन ही नहीं होता था. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी थे टीम में जो 2-3 विजिट्स अटेंड करके मैनेजर्स को कन्विंस कर लेते थे कि भाई हम लोग का आज का काम ओवर है, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू गो बैक होम अर्ली. These people used to do service entry in book and pen and paper, and every week they used to go to the corporate office and submit their data. After implementing sales trends, Superscan को they used to get live tracking and attendance modules के बाद वो लोग के अपने एम्प्लॉयज का रियल टाइम लोकेशन एप्लीकेशन पे मिलने चालू हो गया. वो हिसाब से whenever there was an emergency call, the right executive was assigned to that call, which they could see, which was available in that nearest location, and in that way they could get a very happy customer because that customer was serviced on real time basis. Another benefit what they got is now they used to take all the entries on custom forms on the application. So जो वो लोग का weekly visit office में होता था, that also got over. Now they enter all the data on the application which is submitted to the company on real time basis. The overall productivity in terms of attending and solving cases had increased by 23%, as employees are also happy with lesser traveling time, and managers were able to track the field force team and assign them correct calls and save time. Shabina, can we move to the next one? Yeah. Rotex. Rotex is one of the leading pen manufacturer companies in Mumbai. The owner had a unique challenge. जहाँ पे उसकी सेल्स टीम थी वो इनफ विजिट्स नहीं कर पा रही थी. वो लोग के 10 विजिट दिन के होते थे एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू गो बैक होम. एवरी डे वो लोग ऑर्डर जो लेते थे दे यूज्ड टू टेक ऑन पेन एंड पेपर, और जब भी उनका दिन खत्म होता था दे यूज्ड टू गो एंड विजिट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर एंड मेक देम राइट द ऑर्डर्स with the prices at what they have taken the orders. The managers here were clueless कि इनका productivity कैसे increase करे उनकी sales team का. जो MD थे कंपनी के, उनका एक simple thought process था. He had in mind कि if my sales team visits can be increased, the business will automatically increase. मुझे बराबर याद है, the first day when we implemented sales trends and I was sitting with the MD, he called one of his salesperson and asked him कि where are you today? The answer was कि भाई मैं मलाड रीजन हूँ, आज असाइंड है मुझे, तो I am in मलाड रीजन, मलाड मार्केट में मैं हूँ. ओनर immediately looked at sales trend application और उसको मालूम पड़ा कि भाई ये तो मीरा रोड में है, where he is staying, where his house is. That day the salesman was confronted and an example was set the entire sales team fell in place. Now they knew they would not be able to do anything wrong because a watch was there on them. The visits increased to 17 to 18 visits a day from 10 visits which were happening earlier. अभी वो लोग ऑर्डर एप्लीकेशन पे बुक करते हैं जहां पे वो लोग प्राइस भी मेंशन करते हैं and they assign the orders to specific distributors. Distributors at the end of the day get orders in mail जहां पे वो लोग को प्राइस मेंशन होते हैं और रिस्पेक्टिव रिटेलर्स के नाम भी मेंशन होते हैं. Salesmen are now happy as they can reach home early and spend quality time with the family as their distributors visits have decreased. As the MD believed in, if the visits increase, business will automatically increase, have become a reality. The business has increased by nearly 57%. Sales Trends is live with Rontex Pens Pan India and is helping them increase their business on daily basis. Shabina, next please. Thank you. Then we have Visco Group. Visco is one of India's leading manufacturers of orthopedic and mobility aids. They have presence pan India with the sales team traveling across India. जो owner है, he sits in Mumbai and he has to control the entire business from one place where the sales team travels pan India. As everyone is aware, the sales में new people keep on joining, adding on regular basis. With lot of new replacements happening, new sales people joining, एक यूनिक चैलेंज होता है जहां पे सेल्स टीम को पता नहीं होता है कि भाई उसके कस्टमर का लोकेशन क्या है. The other challenge which the company faced was spending big amount on TADA allowances, जहां पे जो भी salesman submit करता था bill, they had to just pass them because they actually didn't know whether the data is verified or not. Even one more issue which the sales people faced was if they are visiting a specific region, they didn't know which customer to visit first and which to visit second because they didn't know the directions to reach to the specific customer. After implementing Sales Trends, the owner sitting from Mumbai gets real-time status of all his sales team visiting the customer location. He gets the verified and non-verified status, and any salesperson who is found not doing their activity properly is removed and the new team is hired. All the customers are now getting geotagged, and if all the same had to be changed, they have to get it approved by the managers. Owners को भी बहुत बड़ी savings होती है because now he gets to know कि भाई मेरे जो बंदे हैं उतने कितना travel किया है आज के दिन में, whether the bills they are submitting for the travel allowances are accurate or not. The sales team also is happy because they are able to see the nearest customers from where the current location is. वहां से उनका travel time भी बच जाता है और उनके customers का location भी उनको अपने आप जल्दी से मिल जाता है. As our application is integrated with Google Maps, so any new person joining, he gets all the customers' data and it makes easy for him to reach that specific location. After we have implemented Sales Trends, Visco sales have increased by 27%. And अभी उनको actually idea है कि कौन उनका deserving person है और कौन नहीं है. उसको किनको reward करना है और किनको निकालना है. The owner is completely in control of his business with Sales Trends. I would now like to hand over to Mr. Goel for some key takeovers.
Thank you, Sachin Mehta. I would like to emphasize again that managing a field team is a nightmare. All of us who have been in business know that you can handle everything, but actually handling a field team, a field sales team is simply impossible. I have myself the background of working in different industries. Our parental businesses, Dr. Jekyll and Life Sciences, where we used to have a number of sales agent in the field out there. And we had a horrifying experience. Like what all they have not done. They have shown the fake visits. They have claimed fake traveling allowances. They have shown visits on the days of Diwali and Holi. They have been working for other companies and competitors on commission basis. So all of us who have been in business know very well that the field sales team can do anything. So what happens is that our business gets constrained because of this frustration of experience with the field sales team. We are always in a dilemma whether to grow the field sales team or to contract it, because as the team size grows, it becomes more and more difficult to manage the field team. But now that is no more a concern. The nightmare is well converted into a joy and happiness. Now there is transparency. Now there is no scope of being notorious. And we have seen that once the scope for doing notorious activities goes away, the best of the field team, they tend to focus on performance. And one more thing I would like to add, this entire system, this entire sales and system, what we have seen, the demonstration was given with a sales and order activity, but the scope is not limited to that. Everything is customizable. There are many businesses where you are not taking orders like this. You are just doing some field inquiry, you are doing some collection, you are providing after sales service. So there are some 20 field activities that you can choose from. In addition to that, you can create your own customized activity, and you can assign those activities to different user types. That means that not all kinds of field agents have to do all the activities. So you can create that kind of authorization depending on the users. Then the sales and system has been successfully integrated with Tally and softwares like SAP, where the data between your accounting or ERP system exchanges with the data in sales trends on real-time basis. So at the end of the day, we at Sales Trends believe in making happiness at work. Work should not be frustrating. Work, we should be full of passion. We should love it. And the entire system, the application is built in such a way that people should love using it. As we have seen the simplicity of application, there is absolutely no learning curve. And every time you go on the application, it gives you a feeling of fun and intuition. So that was about the Sales Trends as application. As I told you that this was one of the series on one of the modules or features regarding the location tracking and attendance management. There are other such modules which will be taking up in the series of webinar, and we will keep you updated. And now I would like Shabina to read the queries that have come from our participants so that we can use this 5 to 10 minutes time in addressing those queries before we wind up this session. Shabina.
Thank you, sir. Now we will go through the queries our viewer have raised. The very first query is, I have loved the concept of your application. How can I convince my team to use this application?
This is just not technology. That is a very wonderful question that you need to have authority in business. There has to be a willpower, because there is a tendency on part of the field sales team. They feel that they are being watched, they are being scrutinized. So we need to address their concerns. We need to tell them see people, this is to increase your efficiency, to increase your performance. If you use this application in place of 5,000 rupees order that you are booking every day right now, you will be able to book the orders for 10,000, and that will double up your incentives. You need to tell them you don't have to visit the offices that you need to do after your single day visit is over. You don't need to type your reports, and you don't need to forward the orders to the distributors. Everything gets taken care of automatically. So they need to be told about the power of the application and how it can improve their efficiency and their financial gains.
The next question is, some of my sales team often complain that my phone battery drains. How do I convince them?
All technical care has been taken that the application works with minimum battery. But again, let me tell you, sometimes you have to tell the people that your battery doesn't get drained with the video games. It doesn't get drained with the application that you use for this thing. And where it comes to business application, they can't complain like that. So there is no other way to deal with this. Yes.
Okay. So how can sales trends help us implement the application? Can you help us evaluating our field force team as to who is performing and who is not?
As illustrated by Prachi Shah, there is a dashboard which gives you live updates on the location, on the activities performed by each user. Then there is a target versus achievement module, which was not demonstrated today and will be taken up in the next course of series. So I can assign targets. I can see who is performing where in comparison to the targets, who is exceeding the targets and who is not so good. So this is valid data. Here you are not rating your people on the basis of your personal likes and dislikes. If someone is a real performer, his performance is bound to come out and you are bound to reward him. So everyone is happy, especially the performers. Yes.
Next question is, we have a team of 230 sales reps. Is there a way where my data can be sorted and implemented in a way where all cannot see each other data? What kind of structure do you provide?
Absolutely. This is very much a part of the system. All these customers that we create, for example, some of our clients have more than 50,000 customers to be visited. They are organized into states, districts, routes, and access to each sales agent can be given to the individual customer or to the route or to the organization. So this is a complete fine-grained access system where no one can authorize, where no one can access the data which he or she is not authorized for. So this is foolproof system in that regard. Yes.
Okay. What kind of industries have been using this kind of features successfully? Can you give some examples?
As I told you in the beginning itself, wherever the field team, the field agents are going out for any of your critical business activities, those sales happens to be the most popular stream where sales trends has been used, but it has been used in diverse industries. For example, life insurance agents have used this to record activities with their customers. The B2B sellers have used this application, including software people, as a CRM to track their leads and prospects. The people in the service industry, for example, the routers and this thing, they're used to track the servicing of their clients. So the finance company, as I told you, the CreditWise Capital, they are using it for tracking the collection agents who collect cash from their customers. So the list is diverse. Yes.
Okay. Another question is, what is the relevance of this feature on COVID crisis as field team are not working at all right now?
Yes, that is a beautiful question. COVID crisis has come now. All of us know that this will go. So we need to equip ourselves with all the power so that as soon as our field team is out in field, we start performing with double the strength. In addition to that, we have come out with a special COVID feature where salesmen will not be required to visit the shops to perform activity or to book orders. In our clients, we have implemented this complementary feature where more than 50,000 retailers have been provided a retailer app where they can log in into the app and they can place the order, and they can see the list and the assortment of your products, and the order gets automatically assigned to the distributor with whom that retailer is mapped. So there is no end to technology. You can keep on improving. And this has become essential to grow our business in these times. Yes.
So the last question is, explain whether location tracking of employees is a breach of their privacy and anti-human, and whether it is justified in ethical and moral grounds.
That is a beautiful question, Shabina. And many of times we have this dilemma whether what we are doing is right. So let me tell you that this is not about scrutinizing. This is not about tracking. This is more about improving the efficiency and growing the business and growing the profits. As I told you, this is more about transparency. In a similar way, if we were to challenge, then you can challenge the CCTV camera also. All of us are having CCTV camera in our offices and outside in the hotel lobbies and roads. Everywhere it is being used. So trust me, the technology is there, the right use has to be there, and there is no choice. There is no choice on grounds of modality. Once we are in business, we have to perform with the optimum efficiency if we want to grow our business. So with this, I thank once again all our participants for this patient hearing, and I hope that all of you have enjoyed this session. We will keep you posted with the next in series webinars, and we would love to have you associated with us. So you can contact us through website, through phone number, in whatever way, and you are welcome with any kind of queries, including the sales request. Thank you so much. So now we declare this webinar as closed. Thank you.